students, let's continue. As my companions and I inched out way up the steps, the first pre-dawn light brought a beautiful misty glow all around. The final climb to reach the small shrine over the sacred stone at the peak was the most strenuous part. The path became dangerously narrow, and the stairs were almost vertical like a ladder, with strong chains and railings to hold on to. It was packed tight with people, shoulder to shoulder, all in a hurry to reach quickly so as to not miss the first rays of the sunrise and to pray at the shrine. Now the narrator says that as they move towards the mountain peak, they saw the beautiful misty glow all around because it was the dawn time. Pre-dawn light was there. The sun was about to rise. So they saw a misty glow all over around them. And she said that that path, which was almost near to the mountain top, that was the most dangerous part of the track because it was very narrow and very steep, and the stairs were almost vertical, just like ladder, and it was tightly packed with people were moving shoulder to shoulder, and they all were in hurry to reach the mountain top because no one wants to miss the first ray of the sunrise. Almost carried by the flow of the crowd, we suddenly found ourselves at the very top. The sky was brilliant kaleidoscope of changing colors, from the most delicate blue to vivid shades of orange. As the sun emerged above distant hill in the east, I stood mesmerized. Mesmerized means fascinated by the breathtaking view till a tap on my shoulder reminded me to look in the opposite direction, where there was another amazing spectacle. A huge shadow was beginning to appear high up on the western sky. It was a perfect triangle that looked as if it had been projected onto an enormous screen in the sky formed by the mist of clouds to the west of the mountain. It was the shadow of Adam's Peak, the very mountain we were standing on. This is an optical phenomenon that happens just as the sun emerges from the horizon, and as it reaches higher, the shadow moves downwards. It was fleeting. Fleeting means that remains for few seconds, very short period of time. It was a fleeting sight which appears like magic and quickly disappeared as the mist dissolved in the bright morning daylight. Now the narrator is describing the beautiful view when she reached the mountain top. She's saying that when she reached the mountain top, she saw that the sky was appearing just like a kaleidoscope of changing colors. The colors were changing because it was a dawn time, the sun was rising. So you might have also seen different colors in the sky when the sun rises early in the morning. So she also saw the different colors changing from blue to different shades of orange. So she was mesmerized with that view, and she was viewing that until there is a tap on her shoulder and someone reminded her to see in the opposite direction. So when she looked at the opposite direction, there was another amazing view there. A triangular shaped structure was appearing in the sky. Actually, it was the shadow of the mountain on which she was standing. It means it was the shadow of Adam's Peak. It was an optical phenomenon. The shadow was appearing in the sky that was full of mist. So that sky is acting like a screen, and on that screen, shadow of that mountain was appearing. But it remained there for a very short period of time, and very quickly it disappeared. As the sun rises up, it disappeared. After visiting the shrine with a holy footprint, we began our long downward track. My legs ached and my knees felt like jelly, but my heart and mind were filled with the ethereal vision of the shadow of Adam's Peak, the lovely green hills all around, and the flocks of butterflies that passed by on their journey to the Butterfly Mountain. Now, the narrator is saying that after reaching that holy foot shrine and after praying there, they started their journey back, downward track. At that time, she was very tired, her legs were aching, and her knees were felt her knees like jelly. But she was very happy. Her heart and mind were filled with ethereal vision. Ethereal vision means that beauty that seems not to be the part of real world. So what she has seen the beautiful Adam's Peak, the lovely green hills all around, and the flocks of butterfly that passed by on their journey to the Butterfly